Voila. It's cleaner-ish. As you can tell, she's a roller again. Let's get on with it. We got things to do. Does anybody remember how this thing went in? Throttle body and injector cables. I figure I clean up all these parts and stuff that need it. I haven't got them. I haven't hit them with the parts washer yet. Intake side, this would be our exhaust side. So these pistons are going to go in like so, like so. Large intake, smaller exhaust valves. It's touching down there, there we are. That went in nice and easy. Okay, all of our pistons are in. I'd say progress is going pretty well on the engine build, and aside from having to wait a little extra time for some dowels for the head, and of course the head itself, basically everything's on schedule. Right now I am transferring all of the stuff that I need on the head from the old head to the one that just showed up, and making sure that I've got all my shims and all of that stuff in the new head. The condition is okay. It's not perfect, but nothing used is perfect. Seems like everything's there. So yeah, I'm just basically getting that done and waiting for dowels. So as soon as the dowels will show up, then I can put this thing on the engine. Well, all right, guys, there we go. That's about it for this video. That's about all I can do for now. I do have to get a few gaskets on order for the side covers and whatnot. And then we can button up the rest of the motor, put the oil pan on, and then the next video, probably stuff it in the motorcycle and wire it up, see if we can get going on this thing. So in the meantime,
I really thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you guys very much for sticking around. If you like what you see, hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you're into that kind of thing, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.